Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook profile picture. This is a great way to personalize your email account and help colleagues or contacts easily recognize you in their inbox. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to wait a moment for your emails to fully load before proceeding. This ensures that all your account settings are properly synced and accessible. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin changing your profile picture. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Here you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on File to open up a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. After clicking File, a new panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This is where Outlook keeps important account information and settings. The process from here is actually pretty straightforward. Look for the Info section, which should be prominently displayed. Right within this section, you'll notice a Profile Picture area. This is exactly where we need to be to make our change. In the Profile Picture section, you'll see a Change button. Click on this button and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through the folders on your computer to find the image you want to use. Navigate to wherever you've saved your desired profile picture, whether that's in your Downloads folder, Documents, or Pictures library. Once you've located the image you wish to use as your profile picture, click on it to select it. After selecting your image, click on the OK button to confirm your choice. Outlook will then process this change and update your profile picture across your account. This new picture will now appear when you send emails, helping recipients identify you more easily. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Outlook profile picture in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.